In this video, I'm about to show you how to fix corrupted data on PC Minecraft. Start by creating a new world with the same name and world seed as your lost world. This may help load your previous world with your inventory intact. First, open Minecraft, select the original world, and click Edit. Then click Export World Generation Settings to export a JSON file. After that, go back to the World menu, click Create New World, and name it the same as the original. Select More World Options and click Import Settings to open File Explorer. Now type %appdata% in the address bar, go to the saves folder, and select the worldgen_settings_export.json file from the corrupted world folder. Open it and Minecraft will generate the world. Next, transfer the necessary files to your new world. Then press the Windows key +R to open Run, then type %appdata% and press Enter. Go to the Minecraft folder and then the saves folder. Now open the corrupted world folder and copy level.dat, level.dat_mir if present, level.dat_old, and session.lock into your new worlds folder. Restart Minecraft and load your world. If you have a backup of your world, simply transfer the backup into your saves folder. To back it up, select your world, click Edit, and choose Make Backup. For Minecraft PE on Android or iPhone, the game may attempt to repair corrupted saves automatically. If that doesn't work, restore your save file from your phone's backup service like Google Backup or iCloud. For Xbox, uninstall Minecraft, then delete saved game data by navigating to System, selecting Storage, and clearing local saved games. After that, clear your MAC address by going to Network, selecting Network Settings, Advanced Settings, and alternate MAC address. Reinstall Minecraft and it should sync your saves from the Xbox Live Cloud backup server. PlayStation has a similar process for syncing cloud saves. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.